Yo, what's up, fellas? Ladies? How y'all doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Can everybody hear me? Yeah, you can. I can see. Tony, Alan, Pirate, Chris, Soul, George, what's up? Give it a couple minutes, bro. We'll get started like 35, 40. How was y'all's weekend? We chilling? Couple minutes, let everybody roll in, fellas. Yo, Emmett, how you doing? Fucking amazing, bro. I had such a good weekend. I was a waterhead all weekend, dude. I literally just keep your head up and your bread up. You dig? I've been on my boat and jet ski, bro. I got to bring out my jet ski this weekend with my boat at the same time. I have a Challenger and a truck, so like I can only pull my boat. You know what I'm saying? So I had a friend come out so he could pull my jet ski with us, and tons of fun, bro. I needed a little rewind, a little relax, unwind. You know? How many people we got in here? 14. Yeah, we'll wait till we get to like 20, 30 people, guys, and then we'll get grooving. Let me put the link to my group. How's everybody doing? Most people are saying great. I fuck with it. Anybody do anything fun this weekend? Besides wait for this work in these markets? Put a light on for y'all. Boom. Damn, that thing is bright sometimes, bro. I might have to get me some sunglasses. Not much movement today. Bank holiday. Yeah, so I saw that for GBP. So kind of trying to stay away and mess with AU here and potentially NAS. But we're probably not going to be trading GJ and G, which is a bummer. We shall see, because GJ and G are lining up pretty fucking decent for me. So we will see. But my favorite pair, in case anybody's wondering, is this area sitting here, which we're going to go through all this. I'm just letting people tap in. You dig? Just letting people tap in. Tassie Trader. Hey, glad to be here. Thanks for your time. What's up, Tassie? Good morning. Meg, hello. How are you, Emmett? I'm chilling. I'm chilling. It's a beautiful day. And for my group, I know a lot of you guys are in here. I don't know how many people are in here for my group, but my bad, bro. I took a weekend off for the second weekend now to hang out with the lady. Get a little zen back in my life, bro. I got you guys, okay? Videos resume as normal. Posts resume as normal. Interaction with Emmett Trades resumes as normal. My bad. I love you all. I'm watching UCAD and USDCHF. Yeah, so if there's anything you guys want me to check out, not right now, but when I go through all of my 4 pairs, which is this right here. Can you guys see? No, you can't. GJ, GU, AU, and NAS. I just have gold up here because everybody likes gold. Once I get done through these 4 and you guys want me to check out anything, holla at me, bro. That's what we're here for. Is repetition and consistency. Okay, if there's a pair that you don't see up there that you guys trade, hit me with it, bro. And let's run through it, you know? And let's run through it. Repetition, repetition, consistency. That's how you get real results. For those of you who are on a good winning streak, but you're only in a couple weeks of trading, bro, happens to the best of us. GU, Kamali, we'll go over GU. We got about 5 more minutes here and we'll get started. What's up? Did the stream just start? Yes, it did. The stream just started, my brother. We ain't got nothing going on. Although I just had an alarm go off. What was that for? Naz? Oh, shit. Naz just took out these highs. God, that doesn't help at all with this glare, bro. Kind of makes it worse. Couple more minutes, guys, and we'll get started here. God, I wish this was a bit more trending, bro. I'm not about to take one 5-minute candle to stop all this bullish momentum, but I do think we could potentially bleed from this point. Gotta wait till we come up here. Ken Arthur said, fine. What's up, bro? What happened? 30 people. Make sure you guys like the stream. Appreciate you. 27. We're almost there. A couple more people, guys. I gotta get my Zoom in here too, bro, so give me a sec. Bav, what's up, bro? Okay, Zoom. For you guys who are in my Zoom, you guys could join in, bro. I'm sending the link right now. Hey, I thought about putting my bot on this channel. I was so close to doing it. Because it helps me so much with little shit. But, nah, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Is GJ bullish? And not a bot for trading for you people. Just to help me out with links and shit and talking on the chat. Is GJ bullish? Potentially to fill in these gaps sitting over here, Eric. But no, I am bearish on GJ. Let me mute everybody 1 sec. Motherfuckers always gotta come in here talking. Mute, allow, rename. Okay. Okay, you guys should be pouring in here now. Welcome. No mod in here? I don't know. Is there a mod in here? Okay, 56% of you say good and 44% of you say great. Good, I'm glad everybody's doing good or great. All right, y'all ready? No mod in here, bro. Appreciate all 32 of you voting. Okay, so you motherfuckers is active today. All right, let's run it. So we'll go to the top of the list again. I will bring this over so you guys can see what pairs I'm looking at. Boom. Okay, let me pop out this chat. And shout out to you streamers who only use one screen, bro. It's amazing to me. I couldn't even use two, bro, let alone one. So good on you guys. Okay, all right, GJ. The more we play around, the higher chance it will fill it. I'm expecting it to flirt with those gaps, not fill it. Sitting up here, yeah. So hourly, for those of you guys who are new, I have a 3-step strategy, okay? Literally, first step, I find my impulsive leg on the hourly, so I know if I'm going to be buying or selling. Then I go down to the 5 or 15-minute time frame to mark up my supply and demand levels because I'm a supply and demand trader. And then I take my entry on the 5-minute once I have a reaction at these zones that I've created. That's it, bro. No fancy shit. ICT, elementary level. Okay? So let's run through the 3 steps. First step, impulsive leg on the hourly. Our structure is bearish on the hourly on GJ. So I'm only going to be looking for sells, bro. And if everything on smaller time frames is bullish, and I don't see any sells, great. I'm not a retracement trader. I am a trend trader. So if the market is just going to retrace for the day, you can just catch me out of it. Okay? This is hardcore how I am. I'm only trade with the trend. So understanding that now, understanding that we only want to look for sells, as a supply and demand trader, I'm only going to be looking for 2 setups. Supply and demand zone. Or liquid grab. Oh, it's a lot of yellow. Do I like that much yellow? No, I don't. Okay. These are my two setups. Look at grab previous session higher low. So what do I mean by that? I have an indicator marked out which shows me my previous session higher low, meaning within that session, what was the high of that session, what was the low of that session. And so now we're on to the second part of my strategy, which is a supply and demand level or a liquid grab of previous session higher lows. Okay? And so liquid grab of the previous session is going to be London. Here's the London highs right here. So I literally just put a red line right here. And if we were to break past this point, then we can go on to our third part of the strategy, which is a reaction at the zone so we can get in. Okay, so we got these London highs sitting right here. Go down to 5 minute and see, do I have any type of supply I can mark up? For me, a valid supply has to have a gap sitting before it because this is a corrective market, meaning the market's going to chase liquidity all the time instead of just pushing trends. That's why a lot of people get stopped out. That's why most people who hold their trades for a very long time have a rough time doing so, because the market always corrects itself. It doesn't just go straight up. It doesn't go straight down. It constantly takes everybody out. So, dude, I'm getting blown up today. It's 7 o'clock. Okay, so as soon as we break past these London highs sitting right here, we understand that everybody for this session was obviously selling off. We want to sell off too. We all know that we're going to sell for the day. But until we're able to do so, we need to take out liquidity. We need to find other people's stop losses. We need to pair buyers with sellers so we can continue in the direction that everybody knows the market is already going to go. Because market structure isn't that hard for most people. Sell, sell, sells, okay? And so if we come up into these London highs and get a reaction, we'll take the trade. If we come up into the supply and we get a reaction, we will take the trade. What is that reaction, you guys may ask? When we get up to it, I'll let you know. Okay, but it's very simple. Literally a break of previous candle higher low dependent on a buy or sell model, and that's it. So one thing to remember: GJ, sell, 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 sell. That's all we're looking for. And also for the people who just showed up, we do have a bank holiday, GBP holiday today. So chances of me trading this pair, unless it's like fine wine, I'm not taking it. Because I don't trade news. This isn't really news. It's just a bank holiday. So we'll kind of see how much volume is in the markets as we progress the day, my friend. Simple is simplicity. Love the simplicity. Simplicity is the key. Yeah, for sure. I got y'all, bro. Okay. By the way, while I'm running through this, you guys answer the poll. Let me know. And be honest. Helps me track shit, you know. And then I'll ask at the end as well. Okay, are you new here? Yes or no? Very simple. Thanks. How many people are in here right now? We got 37 people in here. So if we can get, you know, like 35 views, I can hold that as king as to what's going on. No, 100%. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, anyways. Yes, I'm new. King, be honest. So GU. Let's go back over the whole strategy again. We got a 3-step strategy. First step, impulsive leg. Impulsive leg. Okay, so clear as day, this is our lower high, this is our lower low. If you guys don't understand structure, this is when I push you to my fucking channel to watch all my shit. My bad. If you guys don't understand market structure, there's multiple videos online to understand what a lower high is, a lower low, a higher low, and where structure is at for the day. If you don't understand structure, boys, if you don't understand how to draw an impulsive leg, then my strategy doesn't mean anything, because we can't have step 2 and 3 without understanding our impulsive leg, so we don't get faked out. You guys talk about being faked out and manipulation, and they're coming after my $500 account, and fuck, why can't I get away from the banks, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now we have a way to not worry about them taking out your $10 account by making sure we're following the direction of the hourly impulsive leg. Okay? So here, we're bearish. Clear as day. Now, like I always tell people who struggle with market structure, if you are kind of wondering what's going on, as far as it's kind of choppy, what the hell is all of this? I don't know where the higher high is, the higher low is. Continue to move to the left until things make sense. Okay? So if this makes sense sitting right here for this whole leg here, then we'll just start at this point. I'm not going to go through all this, especially on GU, because we always go through this consolidation. But simple fact is, if you guys don't understand market structure, go to the left until you do. Put up an arrow sitting here. Put up your high. Put a horizontal line for your high, horizontal line for your low, and then go to the right and see when it breaks past those points and play the game. And then move these shits around, okay? It's going to help you guys so much in market structure, and then boom, it's sitting right here. And so this entire time, we know we're looking for buys. We don't care about all this consolidation and manipulation, as you guys would call it, and the banks being after our $2 account. We're just buying this entire time. And I just changed the colors of my charts so you guys would see. Me and my group were buying this entire time, eating the fucking market. Okay, so anyways, let me take all this off. Hope that's a cool little key for you guys who are having a hard time with market structure. Just box it out, bro. Trap the market. Make it make sense. We don't care about all of this stuff right here. Why? Because we're only trading off of our impulsive leg, which is this price action right. This is all we care about. I don't care about anything to the left of it. I don't care about any other time frame. We just know that we're selling for the day. Okay, so lower high, lower low, we're selling for the day. Go down to 15-minute. Now, understanding that we're going to sell as supply and demand traders, we can only look for two things. Okay, either a supply and demand level, which is going to be supply in this instance because we're selling, or look or grab a previous session highs. So go down to 15 minutes. Type of supply, and give me a second, guys. My bad. I got to put up this link to my group so people know. My bad. We was getting hot. Just a moment. We're getting back in the kitchen, bro. We're getting back in the kitchen, bro. How to win the giveaway? Just sit here, bro. Just sit here until it happens. It's usually pretty easy. Might be hard today. Might be a complex math problem that hasn't been solved in the last 20 years. I haven't decided. But I have decided one thing. We will not be splitting up giveaway today. Somebody in this chat is getting a $25,000 account, period. One person, one giveaway, one shot. You dig. 42 viewers now. Appreciate you guys. 22 likes. Come on, Bellers. Get that up a little bit. Like the stream. I'm giving value here. Okay. So we know we're selling on the hourly time frame. Let's try to find some type of supply. So we have a valid supply sitting up here. Nice gap sitting before the zone. Remember, we have to have a gap sitting before our zone to higher the probabilities. The 200 moving average is on our side, indicating that trend on higher time frames is on our side. Us more experienced traders don't really need the 200 because we understand market structure on higher time frames, but for the newer people, it does help out, and I love to have it up there, and I used to use it a shit ton. Okay? Everything is starting to be on our side. Smaller time frames and higher time frames are in confluence. Now we just got to find a way to get into the wave. Okay, go down to the 5-minute. Do we have any type of supply? Well, we did. We had a supply sitting right here. Nice minor gap sitting down here, but it got filled here. And then we already tapped into the supply sitting over here. I only like fresh zones, because that indicates that we have orders sitting up here, right? Like if we truly had sellers who wanted to get in control of the market sitting right here, truly, then more often than not, us normal people are going to get their orders filled as soon as it taps into it. I've just noticed more often than not, if we tap into the zone and we start to trade away from it, this is what we're getting in. But then we come back up into it, more often than not, it actually takes it out and it doesn't hold the second time. More often than not. Okay? So we only take fresh zones. So now we have two options here, two setups we could potentially take. We're either going to take this 15-minute supply sitting up here if we tap, or we can take liquid grab of London highs, which remember, I have my handy dandy indicator sitting right here, the only indicator that we use. It's not really an indicator, it's just showing me session high and low. It's not really telling me shit. And I know that I'm selling for the day. I literally just go to London high, I put a line there, and it's like, okay, if we come up here and we have a reaction, I can hop into this trade. It's literally as simple as that. And by the way, for people in my group do know, our highest probability setup is this liquid grab setup. It is still, to this day, over a 90% winning strategy. Proven, all live, taken live. It was 100% until fucking last week. And then we had our liquid grab loss. You dig? So, that's what I'm looking for, guys. Sells on GU and GJ again. Do I want to take these trades during a bank holiday? We'll see when we get there. It seems like we do have volume in the market. We haven't for the past couple, about the past hour, but obviously, especially during London, we got some traders in the market today. Okay. So let's see if we can fill in some of this GU breakdown from London, tap back into the origin of this move, which is supply, and then continue lower. Okay. Going on to AU. Hourly. What is the impulsive leg on AU? Clear as day. And remember, this is the impulsive leg sitting right here. And remember, if things are a little shaky, if you don't understand where the impulsive leg is, if market structure is a bit unclear, go to the left until the shit is clear, bro. Okay? Go all the way to the left, because this is just madness. It seems like a lot. But also, if you don't go far left enough, you might miss the actual impulsive leg. Some of you might be sitting right here like, oh shit, okay, this is the impulsive leg sitting right here. And then we broke past here. Okay, all right. It's bearish, which works right here, but in reality, it was actually this guy sitting way the hell over here. Boom. Here. And here. So during this entire time, I mean, I have this guy sitting right here, but during this entire time, we're just selling the whole time, bro. Selling. Every time we start to hit some type of supply over here, we're selling off. Because even though we're continuing higher, even though this retracement is a bit deeper, we still anticipate price to make new lows. Period, bro. And as higher R to R traders, we just don't even want to mess with retracement trades. We may get caught up a couple times. We may lose 2 or 3 times within this whole retracement. Who gives a shit? Once it's finally ready to reverse because we understand structure and we can hit our nice little 1 to 5, 1 to 7, who cares? Vander Mer from Pretoria. Fuck, bro. I don't know what that means, my boy. Anybody? Can you help me? We already did the giveaway. That is cold, bro. That is super cold. All right. So, anyways, we know we want to sell, right? That's the main idea of the hourly time frame. Is we know we want to sell. Okay. So go down to the 15-minute and try to find a supply setup or break of previous session highs so we can participate. And voila, we have a nice little supply sitting up here. Gap before the zone. The 200's on our side for our newer traders. You don't understand trend too well. Boom. Okay, so if we can come up in here, tap into the zone, give us a reaction, off to the races, fellas. We in this motherfucker for sales. Okay, go down to 5-minute. We can also take this trade based off of London high. So again, same as GU, literally correlating the exact same. We can either take out London highs or the supply and then continue price lower for the day. And then our last pair, before we get to whatever the hell you guys want me to mark up, would be, NAS. And we'll run through all this here in a second. Give me a sec. Wow, it's super clean. They're just going to blow up the comments saying when the giveaway the whole time. Might as well get them away. Oh, I think only a couple people did. I think most people are here for the knowledge, bro. How many people we got in here? 38. Okay, hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. So NAS on the hourly time frame. Remember, All we're doing on the hourly time frame is looking at, do we want to buy or do we want to sell? Obviously, clearly, undoubtedly, 100%ly, we want to sell. As soon as we broke past this lower high sitting right here, clear as day. We're selling off, okay? Now, understood, we have a ton of gaps sitting up here. Boom, one sitting right here. Boom, one sitting right here. That do need to be filled at some point because we're in a corrective market. The market just doesn't go down and doesn't just go up forever. We need to pair buyers with sellers through grabbing liquidity, which could be sitting at highs, it could be sitting at gaps, it could be sitting at supply and demand, whatever. So price may absolutely potentially continue higher. So go down to 15-minute and try to find some type of supply to trade off of, and it's like, shit, dude, it's way up here. And then what's another thing I'm starting to discover here? We're kind of starting to be in bullish momentum if we break past this lower high sitting right here. Like, we really got to sell off from this point now. Okay, go down to 5-minute. Now I really don't see any type of supply to trade off of until, except for like way the hell over here. Okay. So I really, honestly, that's the reason why I didn't take this liquid grab, because I told you guys we have two setups: supply and demand levels or liquid grab of previous session higher lows. Where the hell did it go? I'm just going to put this up on all of our charts here today, fellers. But who am I to think that one 5-minute candle tapping above these London highs is going to be the deciding factor of this entire ride up crashing the fuck down? It just doesn't make too much logical sense. Do you understand? And so until we get some bearish structure forming on the smaller time frames, meaning until this lower high gets taken out of some sort and then come back up into some type of supply, I just want to participate, bro. Sure, it could play out right here. Yes, liquid grabs have very high win percentage, but they just no, but they just don't. I need better confirmation, better bearish momentum. Do you understand? So I'm not taking this trade. Negative. GJ, however, just took out London highs. Kind of clean. Ooh, we got equal highs sitting up here though. Kind of clean, kind of clean. Oh, it's a decent little 1 to 3 as well. That was the alarm that just went off, fellas. So let's see. So you see we took out these London highs here, and then we immediately melted back within the range, kind of just showing like, shit, maybe we're just taking out all these stop losses sitting up here. This is the bread and butter setup for me, bro. Especially now that we're creating these highs. All right, let me get ready. I do fuck with this trade. And I'm all okay with this top wick being formed first before we create this bottom wick. Give me a second here, though, guys. I got to get all this shit typed out. Which, by the way, I found. Dude, I have a software. My Zenlabians. No, that is not our name. That, bro, when I take a trade, it automatically prints all of my fucking levels and sends it to you guys. Isn't that crazy? Like, so I don't have to send you guys signals anymore. I type the format in, and then when it happens, as soon as I click the shit on my shit, it sends it out to you guys, which is amazing. Yeah, no bottom wick sitting at these London highs right here. So if we can get a flip here and break past previous candle lows, fucking game on, bro. It's a beautiful trade. Our bread and butter trade. This is one of those, you know, even if it don't play out in this exact same candles happen tomorrow, I would still take the trade. And we're looking at a little 8-pip stop loss. It's kind of funny. I think everybody on Fortunes, bro, will really be trading small stop losses. I smell a simultaneous 2-trade banger with GU and AU. GU's got a way to go. AU too. So clean though, bro. Either one. You know, kind of makes me anticipate GJ potentially maybe coming up a bit higher since they want to come higher as well. And we're chilling, guys. There's no excitement in my strategy, bro. It's very simple. Entry and all. There's no impulsive shit about it, or it's just so simple. So, like we always say, we're ending the era of sweaty palms with the Zen Lab strategy. GJ London High taken. Okay, so we got 38 votes, and 18% of you say you are new. Okay. Are you guys traders? Do you trade, bro? It's going to be 8. Has anybody got any questions? I'm going to wait till it's 5 minutes just in case we get into this trade, but if we don't, if anybody has any questions, hit me, bro. Let's run through them. Yeah, 2 years plus day trader. US 30, please. Okay, I got you, bro. Let's just let's run up lay bag first, sir. A big part of my liquid grabs, by the way, guys, is when we break past previous candle lows, it has to close back within this London range. We'll just run through that real quick, because if we were to break lows sitting right here and we hop in here, it could just be break and retesting the highs we just took out to continue higher before dropping, you know? Just got to be cautious. Could you check USD ZAR? Yeah, bro. Yes, I can. I'm just waiting on this 5 minute, and then we can, if we don't take the trade, we can cruise over to other shit, fellas. Been learning and practicing for a couple years now, but knew I needed people to grow with to push to the next level. My trading universe came through with Zen Labs. Dude, that's fire. That's fire, bro. What have you learned since being with Zen Lab? What has Zen Lab taught you, my friend? Hopefully we don't get a little reaction off of this this demand sitting right here, bro. Ugh. We can manage here. If we can get down here. Oh, and not in. Motherfuckers do something stupid. See, we take out those highs and we don't want to come back. Been learning and practicing. Yeah, okay. Thomas, how long have you been with Zen Lab, bro? How long has it been? I know someone entered the trade already. Yeah, bro. Keep it 100 with us, bro. Who's in this motherfucker? We know how y'all do. just keep it a buck, bro. Yeah. Okay, but fine. You know, GU's making its way up. AU's making its way up. GJ's making its way up. Everything is lining up all together for fucking sales. We just need to go to these higher zones. Fine. Fine. So if AU comes up and we get a reaction, GU comes up and we get a reaction, GJ comes up and we get a reaction. Do you guys know which trade I would take out of these three? Zen Lab, don't answer. Don't be cheating, bro. I have been just trading W and M patterns and swing trading with the RSI for a while. Oh, okay. Do you guys know which one I would take? AU comes up, gives me a reaction to get in. GU comes up, gives me a reaction to get in. GJ comes up, gives me a reaction to get in. Which one am I taking? Been here like 2 weeks, but been following on IG for about a month. I realize you live close by too. Yes, sir. Where you at? You're Land O'Lakes, right, bro? Someone says AU, someone says GU, and someone says GJ. You says none. Shut up, bro. I'm taking all of them, bro. The strategy lines up, you take them. All three of these line up at the same fucking time. I can't send them all to my group, unfortunately, because I'm not that fast of a typer, but I'm taking every last one of them. Yup. Yup. And look at her continuing up here. Pretty close to Land O'Lakes, but in Odessa near Newport Richey. Yeah, okay. Newport Richey. Yup. And we're continuing higher now. So that's fine, you know? We have liquidity, bro. We have these highs sitting up here that we just took out, that we didn't take out beforehand. Okay, we just created these equal highs here, but definitely stop loss sitting there. Okay, cool. Now we're going to continue higher to take out these equal highs sitting up here. Potentially come up in a supply, and then we'll see what happens here. So clean, though. It's a clean day, fellas. Oh, it's a clean day. Yup. All right, let's run it, fellas. See, look at us. Just smart. We're just so smart. US 30, I think one of them was. Here, and we'll run through gold as well. Okay, so hourly time frame with gold. Our impulsive leg. If we don't know, we're going to go to the left and find out. Okay, lower. Low. Boom. Boom. Okay. We broke past here, but then we closed back on the range. Still looking for sells this entire time. Sell, 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 sell. Boom, we break past. Okay. Now we have a new impulsive leg. Boom. Boom. We're buying this whole time. Yeah, we keep taking out highs sitting up here and closing back on the range. Take out highs, close back on the range. Take out highs, close back on the range. And so everybody and their mama right now is thinking sell, 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 sells. We gotta sell. The market is obviously losing momentum. We're obviously starting to create lower highs sitting right here. We are obviously going to start trading lower because we're market gods. We know exactly what's going to happen. And you know what happens? We consolidate a bit. We may come grab a bit of liquidity, but then more often than not, we just continue higher because the trend is bullish. And people get caught up in all this shit. Call it manipulation. Banks are after your $3 account, whatever you want. More often than not, if you follow the hourly impulsive leg, you will be correct and you won't get caught up in that shit. More often than not, if you don't take retracement trades, meaning if you know you want to buy on the hourly, you're not taking any sells regardless of what it tells you. If you don't see any buy trades, that just means you don't trade that pair for the day. More often than not, you will be correct. Okay, so go down to 15-minute, knowing that we only want to look for buys. And try to find some type of buy setup. Well, there damn sure ain't shit here because we're in a massive bearish impulsive leg on the 15-minute. There's nothing here, so go down to 5-minute. Okay, how can we buy up this market? We can't. Everything's in bearish momentum. It's probably going to sell off. We were in bullish momentum for a while, you know? But then we broke past it sitting right here, clearly. And so I really only see sells. And so like I was telling you guys about with Nas, I don't expect one 5-minute candle to break through these London lows sitting here and then expect price to reverse based off of that. I only see bearish momentum here. So until we get bullish momentum, until we break past these highs, until we start trading with the trend again, we just don't take a trade on gold. I just don't see anything on gold for my trading strategy. GJ is tempting, yeah, bro. See, but this is fucked up. Ain't that some shit? I wouldn't have taken this anyways. It's the initial reaction, taking out London highs, and then starting to bleed past. I mean, especially coming this close, bro, within 3 pips of our zone. It is what it is. It is what it is. And what a pain in the ass, too, because it is closing back within the range now here. You feel me? Ugh. Oh, 2 people said DJ. Yeah, bro. Got to come up and tap our zone. I don't care what happens with this shit. Hopefully this low supply holds come up, tap in, that we can get into our trade. You know? But that would suck, because look, we just grab this high. What happened with AU? AU's not really liquid grabbing anything. But did we fill in 50% of this gap here? Probably so. We did to the T. Fuck, dude. This is kind of clean. Everything did grab its liquidity. We'll see if it taps. How has your month of August been trading-wise? A fucking pain in the ass. I was at 91%, bro, in the first 17 trades of this month. And now I'm sitting at a 70%. So, I mean, we're still fine, but the last week and a half has been a bitch. How's your guys' August been? That's brutal, bro. That hurts my feelings like a motherfucker. I ain't gonna hold you. Instant TPs. Fucking hell, bro. Market's been playing with me. And I can't take a 15-minute setup, I assume. Because then that'll be a little too fat for my liking. Not much R to R to come down to lows, bro. That's the whole issue. AJ said, "How was your weekend, sir?" My bad, bro. It was good. It was super good. Amazing weekend. Tons of fun. Really, really good weekend here. And these are just our TP levels 1, 2, 3, and 4 down here at lows. If we can get into this fucking trade. Yeah, have you guys done fine in the month of August? We were on fire, bro. Slaughtering August. We're still killing it though. I mean, we're doing okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Worst trading month ever for me. Oh, I made 28K in 3 days off of $600, but I lost it all 1 week later. Dude, what? But you're killing it regardless. Oh yeah, I'm chilling. I've heard from a lot of people August is the hardest month. Yeah, I know. Everything is about sample sizing based upon your shit, bro. Because I've heard the same shit. August is the worst month ever. Last year we just went through it. I just went through it with Luca. Wasn't the best trading month last year either. You understand? I get it. But as a scalper, I don't heavily believe in seasons of the market for my strategy. I think my strategy works all year. I won't trade Christmas. I won't trade news events. I really try not to trade bank holidays. But I think for my strategy, like people be telling me, oh, supply and demand doesn't work that well on Wednesdays. Or some people say supply and demand's worst day, like dude said last week, is Monday and Friday. I said, well, shit. I've only lost 1 Friday since I opened up this group 4 months ago. Mondays I have to do the data sizing on Monday. I don't know, but they're like, I make money on these days, bro. So maybe for other people, Wednesday's bad or Friday's bad, Monday's bad, or maybe for other people trading during August, you should just stay out of the market. But for the sample sizing I've done for my own strategy, I am okay to trade all year with it as a scalper. We're in and out. Okay, so until these supply and demand levels don't hold, or it's like August, not a single zone holds, and maybe I'll stay out. But besides that, I mean, I'm chilling. Nah, Caleb, you with Wall Street bets? Damn. Would love to call a dub for fucking Fortunes though, bro. My chat be eating, and then we come on here on Fortunes. It's like, whoa. It's like, whoa. TP's about to get hit here without us. God damn it, bro. God damn it, bro. That's a bummer, isn't it? That hurts. 818 too. That hurts. I think that was just TP that got hit right there. Let's see. Yeah, these are the 90% win rates right here, fellers. Got to be like 95. We've lost one over the course of, it's like it was either 8, 10 or 15 trades, one of the two. I don't know. Not crazy. Nah, bro, I know how to trade. I just have a real problem with my greed. Well, then I beg to differ that you don't know how to trade. If you can flip account from $50 to $1 million and lose it all the next day, does that really say that you're a fire trader? Working on it though. All I gotta say, Caleb, you trading $600 to 28 racks is fucking impressive as shit, brother. And next time you do that shit, if you don't capitalize, you know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Amazing profits, amazing gains at the bare minimum. Could you just taken out the fucking 600? Did you take out the 600 at least? Then all that you didn't. So yeah, I'm not in this, guys. My bad. Let me just take this off, dude. It's just gonna confuse people thinking I'm in shit that I'm not. It's not fair. Withdraw, or at least the 600, bro. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. I'll be right back, fellas. I gotta feed my dogs. You hungry, bro? Good shit though. Did you enter the trade? No, Ali. My bad, bro. Nah, I didn't enter this trade. I didn't enter this trade. What are we looking at? How many people we got here? 175 views, 60 people. Yo, what up? 36 likes. Like the stream, bro. Giveaways got to be within like 85 percentile likes versus people watching for sure. Y'all got to work for it too, bro. Nah, bro. I lost every penny. I was sick. I didn't eat for 3. It's so fucking disappointing, bro. We all been there, though. I don't know if anybody's been the 628K there, but do you recommend to go aggressive? For what, Ali? For this trade? Hell nah, bro. You crazy? We're just chilling. You know? Didn't that sound a little revengeful? Like, hey, I want to revenge this trade back. Since I missed the entry, should I just pop in here? Fuck it. Let's run it. That's the unprofitable way of thinking, bro. Or it's only down by like 2 pips sitting down here. I've only missed my entry by like 2 pips. So let's just hop in right here, bro. And then there's our 1-to-1. Now, all of a sudden, we got fucking 6 more pips to hit before we hit TP1. It's just yeah, FOMO. All that shit. Damn it, there's not going to be any more setups today. We literally just missed our setup for the day. Well, fuck it, but if I just get into this right now, though, we'll probably be fine. Especially now that I know that GU reacted off of this high. AU's reacting off of this gap. So if I get it now, I'm probably going to be fine, right? And it's just like trying to add in all these extra additional shitty rules because you missed a trade instead of just, you know, waiting for the right trade. And what's up, Ali? Good. Glad to see you here, brother. Glad you're on the live, dude. Check out gold. We just checked out gold, maybe. Sells. Or, what's it called? Sells. Buys. But I don't see anything to buy off of. So yes, I know price continuing higher here now. It's like, oh shit. But wow, look at these equal lows. Did we actually take out London lows here, bro? No, we did not. We did not. It's holding those equal lows so crazy. And now we're continuing higher. Bummer. We're just no trade for us. We understand it's continuing higher, but there was no liquid grab for us, bro. Didn't grab it. This direction, for you people who are struggling with direction or like you feel like you got your strategy down, but you continue to be on the opposite side of the market, use that hourly impulsive leg tactic, bro. It's going to blow your fucking mind. What it actually means to trade with trend every single day. It's going to blow your mind. It does so well for us. Thanks, man. We're going to collect the bank's bread. Pow, 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 pow. Yes, sir. Yeah, but on our terms. Okay, GJ. So GJ, I think, hit TP1. Intuition must be on our side today, fellers. Did we hit? We did hit TP1. Would have put stops to break even. Capital preservation is very heavy to me, guys. And I would have been break even and wouldn't have made anything anyway. So no loss here. I'm not a 1-to-1 trader. Don't even think we're a 1-to-2 trader. Hello, Emmett. How you doing today? I'm great, bro. I'm fucking great. And I marked out because I'm trying to do, since everybody else is doing account flips and shit, we'll see what I can do. I'm putting 2K into an account and going to flip it to 10K in a month. And I got it all written the fuck out exactly how I'm going to do it, bro. 1,000%. I don't think I've ever grown a 500% account. That's a little intense, but it's I challenge you guys. For you, I know I have some real traders in here. For you real traders in here, no cap, you're actually real traders. Real, okay? I know I got a couple of you motherfuckers in here, bro. Sit down after the stream and come up with a number, whatever the fuck. 500, 1,000, 10 racks, whatever, dude. And figure out a way to 500 or 1,000x that account. Just sit down. Oh yeah, I'm making a video for. Of course, Chosen, I have to make a video. I'm finally getting to my fun videos and not just strategy. Now that you guys have it down, write down what it would take to get that 1K into 10K or 5K, whatever the fuck, and you'll be surprised, bro, how not crazy it really is when you start to write shit down. Like if you were to risk 10-15% per trade, and then I wrote down based upon my win percentage for the month because I normally take about 5 trades a week. And so based upon like if I was 5-0, 4-1, 3-2, 2-3, 1-4, how much money I would make based upon that win percentage. And then so I can make sure I'm staying within these guidelines week by week. So at the end of the month, I know that I'll hit the 10K. It was so fucking fun to me, bro. This is the second time I've done this, but not like the last, you know, it was like building $1,000 to $2,000. Like this is a little intense. And shout out to Ali Trades too, inspired me. Boy, fucking Just took a little mean 5K into $120,000 last week. Last week, not last month, last week in like 4 days. And not to mention that he did it live every fucking day with you guys. Just having his MetaTrader sitting up here. Ain't nobody do it like that boy, bro. It's amazing. Yeah. It just sounds fake, doesn't it? You? Nope. Live in front of everybody, bro. 5 to 120 racks. He did what? And I'm not going to go down the rabbit hole, but I just want to say people who've only started trading prop firms, although it teaches you good risk management, you guys are it's pushing you guys into only trading 1% per trade. Like you can on your personal account, if you trust your strategy and you don't think you're going to lose 20 trades in a row or 100 trades in a row, you can risk a little bit more than 1%. Just don't do so on your funded. Don't do so on your funded because you can only lose 10%. If you think any of your gurus are risking 1% per trade on their funded, you would be wrong. You'd be super wrong. Let me take down this poll, by the way. How many votes do we have? 71 votes. 21% of you said you're new here. That's amazing. I'm going to end it there, though. For gold, it seems like it is correlated to DXY. Gold has the opposite reaction. Yeah, Ali Strade's right on here, Todd Hill. Right on here on Fortunes Funding, bro. Account flipping is fun, but it messes with your psychology. Not if you don't. Everything's got to be planned, bro. Everything's got to be planned. I have a plan for everything that I do. I go back and I look at things, see how well I've done. But I'm also so solidified in my strategy. Y'all won't ever catch me on the weekends back testing, bro. I'll do a Friday review if my group wants it. Which I think we're past the point of you guys wanting it. I think we just need to do it every week now. I think we have enough people in here. We got 40 people? Oh my God, we got 40 people in here now. That's crazy. We got 40 people in here. So yeah, we just got to do one every Friday now, guys. Yeah, I think it'll help you guys a lot. Just some people aren't so comfortable asking me questions on live, but then we'll go in the group and they'll do it. So have y'all noticed indices have a positive correlation with Bitcoin or Ethereum, or am I tripping? I'm not a correlation trader, to be honest. The only correlation I use is USD pairs versus others. And GBP USD and AD USD, I really like them to correlate. That makes me very, 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 very happy. Hi from Greece, brother. That's so tight. Can you guys message where you guys are from? I did a poll last time where it said in the United States and out of the United States, but can you just comment where you guys are from? Like, where do we got people watching from here? India, Denmark. I know I got a lot of Indian following. Are you guys? I wonder if you guys are coming from Fortunes or me. Probably me. 1 to 2K, Meg. Nothing crazy, bro. Give me a month. Give me a month. No more conservative shit. Bro, what? I'm in Tampa, bro. What's up? Utah, Switzerland, Canada, South Africa, India. Cali, currently living in Texas. And me, I'm New York, guys. I was born in New York. I was raised in Colorado. I currently live in Florida. I lived in California. I've been to almost every state in the United States. I've been to 3 different countries. Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas. Shit, bro. My boy lives out there. I'd love to move out there, but the girl's not with the vibes at all. Can you break down how you use the correlation of USD pairs? Oh, nothing at all, Nathan. Just understanding that if GBP U is falling and AUD USD is falling, that indicates that the dollar is strong. It's all I have used zero correlation. People always ask me to use the DXY. My group's seen it multiple times. As scalpers, I don't necessarily need things to line up. We have multiple times, and I kid you not, been in a GJ buy as we're in GJ sells, and they both play out. And so clouding my mind with correlation when it just doesn't work for me as a scalper, I just don't use it. Some 19-year-old guy flipped from 5K to 2.2 million on YouTube. Yeah, it just like, it's hard. No, it's hard as fuck. It's hard as fuck to flip an account. It's hard as fuck. It's hard as fuck to flip an account. But if you have a plan, you write things down, and you understand your edge, bro. Like, I'm thinking about to bust this like water. But I mean, let's see, bro. Ask me in a month. Hey, Emmett, what happened to that flip? Did you fuck it up or did you do it? What's up, Emmy? Hope you remember me. Of course I remember you, bro. What? You've been gone for like 2 weeks, if that. Right? Hasn't only been a couple weeks. What is your strategy based off of, bro? I'm new here. Muslim man, my strategy is supply and demand. That's it. We got it all written up here. I got 2 setup types. Supply and demand zone or a liquid grab of previous session highs. Brother. That's it. Come on, GJ. Get on up there, brother. Could you imagine, bro? Get on up there. I go to Tampa often. Yeah, cool. Can you show us settings for Sonar Lab session? Yeah, bro. But it's going to be different for me than you because my timestamps are different. So this is what you need. You don't really need to put New York up if you don't want to. We don't trade the liquid grab of New York because we don't trade Asian. I just like to have it up to show that session started and shit. You know what I'm saying? These are my times that I have found out on my own to be more often than not when these sessions create their high and lows. That is why these settings are this way. I did not learn it from anybody. I sat my ass on the markets and sample size to all hell until I died to learn these when liquid grabs are the most potent. More often than not, the high and low of these 3 sessions is created between these times. And so that is what my Sonar Lab sessions reflects. PM. Ooh. Ooh, my man. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Yes, I mean PM, bro. The boy is working 24/7. Yeah, this has been fucked. This bitch would have took us out and then melted anyways, bro. It's crazy. You just gotta come up or else whatever. Oh yeah, bro. Give me my money, baby. Love AU. AU's the first pair I got profitable off of. It's my baby. And I love you. Where can we watch the 5K to 120K? On here. Oh. Shit. It's not on this channel. Pip and dip. At Pip and dip. Fuck it. Here. Here. Right here, bro. The fucking man, brother. Alright. Alright. No free promo on the chat. We're done. Okay? Exiting out. Love that guy, though. Same here with AU, my favorite pair to back test with. No free promo on the chat, bro. My favorite pair, yeah. It's Ali Trades, right? Yes. It's a fantastic man. A man of God. Yeah, Daniel doesn't work here, bro. It doesn't work here. Do a poll for account size, Meg says. No. Somebody's winning 25K today. Bro, no trade for y'all. Y'all are tripping, dude. I'm trading today. If I can't find something, I will force a trade for you guys. Just kidding. If it doesn't line up, we won't take it. But AU is coming up to us happily, showing love, filling in some of this gap. You know? We got highs to take out before continuing lower. We took out the stop loss. We see the stop losses. And we took them out. Hopefully we can get a little break and retest trader sitting right here. Sell off as soon as it taps here. And then come up one last time. Take those break and retest traders out. And then what's going to happen at that point? Once we react from this point and trade lower and then break out of this again, now all of a sudden this zone isn't holding for support and resistance traders. So who's hopping in here? Breakout traders. Let's run it to the moon, baby. But nope, look what happens. We tap into our supply and fucking wreck everybody. It just, you just have to see the orders being taken out. I see them. But it has to come up to us first, so we'll see. You both friends or how you came to know each other? Yeah, we're both friends, bro. I met him through Luca. I met Luca through Dollar. I met Dollar through Daniel. I met Daniel through passing challenges. Story end. EU. EU. Impulsive leg. Easiest day, right? And if it's not, we move to the left until it is. Here. Easy. So this is our impulsive leg. Okay. Now we know all we want to do is look for sales. Okay. Oh, fucking hell, bro. Look at this. Bearish structure here. Damn, bro. Who missed out on that? So clean. Anybody already see it? Anybody already see it? It's so clean, bro. Come on, man. I don't trade EU, so I wouldn't have taken this, but it's so clean, bro. Beautiful liquid grab, okay? We don't have any supply to trade. We know we want to sell. We don't have any supply to trade, so it's like, okay. Do we have anything else in our arsenal here? Oh, shit, we do. Liquid grabs. Liquid grabs, a previous session high or low. Okay, here's London highs sitting up here. As soon as we break past these highs, and then previous session low gets broken, but we close back in the range, it's all bets are off. It's time to race. Sits right here. Boom. Broke past it. Stops above the highs. And chasing all the way down here to London lows. Always, always, always chasing lows. 1 to 3. And just in beautiful profit. Maybe we should trade EU. So far. Such an easy setup. 1, 2, 3, guy. Literally. Hourly. Oh, it's bearish. So we don't care about any of this shit. Oh, higher highs, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Easily going to buy. Guaranteed buy. And then people just get wrecked because they're going against the higher time frame. If you hadn't pursued a career as a trader, what alternative path might you chosen? I already have another. I'm in sales as well, bro. I'm not just trading. Plumbing into sales. While I was doing both, I've been trading. Sales pays, my boy. Is a samurai sword behind you, bro? Nah, bro. I got a little gym in here. You got my workout shit here. I got a ice bath right here. I got me right here. And then I got an L desk right here. And then I got another desk right there with my piano on it and shit. I got 4 monitors up here. And I got soundproofing like a motherfucker. So I got like a whole bunch of panels and shit up here. I soundproofed my door. And then I got a huge mat sitting underneath all of this workout equipment stuff, so I can scream and shit at nighttime and no one can hear me because I used to stream London. I didn't want to wake my lady up. She started to get annoying with that shit. So there's your breakdown of my room. Okay, US 30. Yeah, let's go check it out. So hourly time frame. Okay, what is our impulse select? Well, if we don't know, we can move to the left until it makes sense. But here, just easily makes sense. Sell, sell, sells. Good morning, bro. I got a placement in sales through university, but I didn't choose it. I made 6 figures before sales, but from plumbing, but you get into the higher 6 figures in sales by far. I love the entire process of sales and bringing people in and giving them what they need, not allowing them to tell you what they want, higher ticket sales. I love it. I really do. I fucking love the shit out of it. All right, so sales on US 30. That's all I see. So it's like, okay, let's figure out where we can participate in these sales. Right off the rip, it's a done deal. It's a red tag pair. Why? Because my biggest rule is you're not allowed to break past more than 3 lower highs before coming down into your zone, which there's just a retarded amount of lower highs sitting here. Because why? Well, here, hold on. Okay, 1 lower high, 2 lower high, 3 lower high. There's our max. 4 lower high. Boom. Okay, so what does it take to get all the way up here? We'll just end it right there. And this is the only valid supply is way the fuck up here. Okay. Boom. But more often than not, this shit won't play out, bro. Why? Because we're breaking structure not once, not twice, not two times, not 3 times, but 4 times before coming up into our supply. The probabilities of this guy holding when you're going against this much bullish momentum are low. Same shit here. It's the same reason why we didn't take these sells. Yes, we're bearish for the day. Yes, that's one of our setups as a previous session higher low grab. But we're breaking past way too many fucking highs to come up all the way up here. Especially on the 5-minute. Could you imagine? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's just too many of them. And so that's why we didn't take this London high grab. Probably why I'm not going to take this setup up here unless it's on a 15-minute entry. Meaning wait for 15-minute break of previous candle lows to enter in. Because then it makes sense. Just giving us that extra confirmation because you only have 1 high, 2 highs, 3 highs here. 3 highs to take out before coming up into the zone. But just be careful with that shit, bro. Our best setups, are these here. Where it's like you have an impulsive leg, right? On the hourly. And then you go down to smaller time frames and everything is just in correlation with it. Like it's right next to each other. Like when you're taking these trades. And there's a whatever the fuck, whatever. You're taking these trades. And it's like you're going with trend. You're not trying to go way over here. You're taking buys here this whole time. You're not trying to come way over here to the supply over here. And it's like, okay, once we get up to this point, that's when we'll sell off. In the middle of fucking nowhere. After we've taken out 1, 2, 3, 4 major highs to come up before coming up into the zone. It just doesn't make sense. Just always keep that in the back of your head to trade with trend. What's up, bro? You on Fortunes today? Cool. Still, cause miss your live, bro. Oh, my bad, Nick. Bro, don't tell me I put up a fucking thing today. What else do you guys want to look at? Yeah, and yeah, this is just unfortunate, but even with my risk management strategy, even if we were to hop into this, I would have got taken out B, unfortunately, guys. It is what it is. Yes, we were correct, yeah. Usually that way. We just couldn't get the entry. Oh shit. EG, I got you, bro. Let me go feed my other dog. Give me a sec. You hungry, bro? Come on. EJ is session low. EJ is session low. Let me bring all this shit back. Okay, it is at session low. What is our impulsive leg? Bearish as fuck. Boom. I'd only be looking at sales, big dog. Sure, it could play out. More often than not, it won't. Okay. Now, yes, we broke past those. This lower high sitting right here. But then we close right back in the range. You got to have that confirmed break, bro. This is not a confirmed break. This is just a grab of these lower highs so far. And us as smart traders are not going to be getting tricked, manipulated. The bank's taking our $10 account the same way that we're making money in the markets. Hell no. We're too smart for that. This is just a liquid grab so far. We're still only looking for sales. What are the things you have or have adopted that separate you from other traders? Honestly, my biggest hindrance in the markets was switching strategies so many fucking times. Every time I'd learn a concept, do well, and then stop doing well for a couple weeks, I would switch my strategy. And it would hinder my journey to success and profitability and taking money out of the market. But now, being on the other side, being so fluent within my risk management, and no matter what any of you guys say in the world, I could have Warren Buffett himself come on here and say, yo, Emmett, I'm about to wreck GU, sell that motherfucker. And I have a bull bias to buy, I'm not going to do it. But now, again, being on the other side of the shitstorm, I think that learning all these other strategies actually help me out within my trading strategy, because now I'm able to paint a picture to myself before I hop into a trade every single day. Okay, these are where breakout traders are getting into. Well, how do you know that, Emmett? Because I used to be one. Okay, here's where break and retest traders are getting into. Well, how do you know that, Emmett? Because I used to be one. Here's where the Fibonacci traders are hopping into, the 786. And then so when you see them get taken out, and you see a gap sitting before it, supply and demand sitting before it, and it's like, oh shit. I started to look at the market in a different way based upon my hindrance ended up being like my edge of understanding where other people are getting into the market, which is kind of cool. But I got to paint the picture. To me, the market is a corrective market. Until somebody else who, me and Joe know that we're going to sell. We both know that every fucking day because we're badass with market structure. We both can't win. And so I got to figure out how the banks are manipulating his $10 account so I can keep my $10 account. And once we do, once we mitigate his stop losses, once we grab that liquidity and we tap into my supply or demand, then I'm going to enter the trade. And more often than not, it's going to play out. And your girl knows as well. And my girl knows as well. My girlfriend's a financial broker, so she's helped me with a lot of financial tips as well. The supply and demand strategies that you're using, do you look at higher time frame when you want to take a trade on lower time frame? Yes, muscle man. 3-step process, bro. We go to the hourly. You got to show up on time, my boy. We go to the hourly. We look for our impulsive leg, meaning where is market structure at? Meaning, are we in a bearish impulsive leg, selling leg, or a bullish impulsive leg, buying leg? And that's all I'm doing on the higher time frames. I don't do 4-hour, I don't do daily, I don't do weekly, ever. Why are they up there? Not a clue. I never use them. And then so now that I know if I'm buying or selling for the day, now I can get into the strategy on 15 and 5 minutes to try to find that precise entry for highest R to R I possibly can. But that's all I do on the hourly. No analysis. See if I'm buying and selling for the day. And also if there's a supply and demand sitting right there, I want to make sure I'm not going against higher time frame supply and demand. That's it. That's it. Okay, can I take all this shit off now? It's a little much. Just fucking we're now in our management zone here. Oh, so annoying, bro. AU's coming up though. Beautiful. Let's see what happens. We're almost to our break and retest area sitting here. Ain't that a bitch though, my boy. AU been ranging. AU looks like a lot of volume to me, my brother. That's a lot of volume going up and down. I guess so though for these last like 2 hours. Could you show your Stoner Lab session? Did I just delete all that shit, bro? Fuck. Fuck. Here. Then there's no discrepancy. Don't put anything in the chat till I write these out, please. Just give me like 1 second, please, please, please. I got one more. Please don't write anything. Just give me 1 second, bro. Wow, you guys are very respectable. Thank you. Someone could have happily wrote something. So thank you. How are we doing? We got 65 people in here ready to catch a dub. Me too, brother. Me too. We're just waiting for retracements here. Let's go. And 54 likes. Yeah, thank you guys. It's awesome. Killing it. Killing it. So the only thing I'd be doing right here, if we did get into this trade and somehow didn't put our stops to B, because we don't manage capital like real traders, then as soon as, because we exit the same way we enter, we exit the same way we enter. So if we entered off of the break of previous candle lows, break within an area of interest, then we can exit based off the break of previous candle highs at an area of interest. Meaning if we broke past this high sitting right here, I would hop out of the trade. Sure, we could break that fucking thing and come all the way down here. Absolutely. That's just my strategy for management. I want to make sure when I get to these lower TP levels that I'm actually capitalizing in the market. Never broke past highs. Okay, we're still sitting in this trade. We break past this level. All right, whatever. Now let's see what happens at this next level. We come down here, we liquid grab these lows sitting down here. We wouldn't take this trade because we only take liquid grabs of previous session higher low, but we understand this is a low. We understand there's liquidity here. We understand this is an area where the market could potentially reverse. And so if it were to come down here, and then we were to consolidate and break past previous candle highs, all right, then we get out right here. Just put your fucking line there, bro. Boom. Still haven't broke past, so now we're coming all the way down here. And then if that thing didn't hold, all right, get it out of your way. Obviously not holding. And go down to the next TP level. And see what happens here at this low. Liquid grab of London lows. If nothing happens here, you can continue on like that the entire way. I just don't do so. Once I hit my lows of that impulsive leg, I'm done for the day. 100% of the time. I'm good. I just don't go past lows and highs. Because I understand the market's a corrective market, as I told you guys, not a trending market. So me as a scalper, my job is to play that range of the day and then be done. I don't care what happens beyond it. How to develop patience. I'm really struggling with it. Follow your plan and don't trade based off of your emotions. We all have emotions, including myself. Everybody has days of over leveraging, even your favorite mentor. Everyone has days where they're trying to push the envelope because they're trying to move on to whatever the fuck. But if you have a plan that you stick to, none of that shit matters. You can be freaking out over here, your palms are sweating, you're like, oh my God, I don't know what to do, and oh, I'm about to close out of this trade. And then you're looking up here and it's like, oh my God, your money's running back and forth. Plus $300, negative $600, plus $2,000, negative, and then, but you make fucking $500 a month at your job. And it's like, fuck. And you're freaking out. You're not going to get over that shit without experience. It's going to take a long time. But the key is to not act off of those emotions. And how do we not act off of those emotions? By having a solid plan. I know what the hell I'm supposed to do here. Okay? We're sitting in this demand right here. And I'm freaking out this whole time. I'm losing my mind. I don't know what to do here. I'm like, fuck, I've never seen this much money in my life. Holy shit. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? And I'm like, all right, I'm going to close right here. No, I'm going to close right here. I'm just like losing it the entire time. But instead of actually acting off of those emotions, even though I'm freaking out, even though I really can't control them because I'm still a new trader, I have a plan. So it doesn't matter. None of that shit matters. Okay, as soon as you broke past previous candle highs, you get out right there. All right, I just got out and I just made a 1 to 2.3. Done deal. I'm out for the day. Peace. All that emotion shit, I can leave it for another day. Because more often than not, when this happens at areas of interest like this, more often than not, it's going to come up and take us out. At least break even before continuing lower. More often than not. So to end that answer, that very long-winded answer, you're going to develop patience with experience. But you're gonna develop experience by not trading off your emotions, bro. And you're gonna do that by having a plan. Stick to your plan. Emmett, you need to see liquid grab on gold, not even a chance to get in. Okay. Oh, so it did grab. Why is that not a chance to get in right here? Too big of a stop? Bro, that's only 17 on gold. It's fire. Oh, you don't even get a 1 to 2 day highs. No go. I mean, it worked, but liquid grabs are the truth, bro. If you guys take nothing else from this today, go back test those liquid grabs. I'll say it again. Step 1, go to hourly. Find your impulsive leg. Clearly bullish. Clearly bullish. And I told you guys what happens here. Usually we just end up consolidating, start moving sideways, lower highs are being formed. We have to start melting off is what all the trading gods say because they know exactly what's happening in the markets. And you know what happens? This shit just continues higher because we're obviously bullish. Don't be a market god. Just trade with the trend, my friend. Okay, go down to 15-minute or 5-minute. Mark up previous session higher lows. Now that we know we're bullish for the day, okay. We broke past these lows. As soon as we break previous candle highs, we hop in the trade and boom. The end, everything is history. In 1 fucking minute, you hit your TP1. That's awesome, bro. Makes me want to trade every pair. What's good, Emmett? What up, Wayne? Was that it? Did that help you at all? Meg? TP already hit. When do you decide to take liquid setup? On 5 or 15 minute? On 5 minute more often than not, bro. Sometimes I do 15 minute if I need a bit extra confirmation. But more often than not, 5 minute. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see if the management is correct. We would have got out here. Because we don't play. We don't need to be gods. We don't need to hold 1 to 20s and shit. It's dope. I dig it and it happens. But I'll be chilling, bro. I'm good. I'm good with my 1 to 2 for the day. I'm good. Especially when I hit 2 to 3 trades in a day and they all hit. You know, I shoot. I shoot. Unfortunately, couldn't tap this. It didn't line up, but I shoot, bro. My group takes 2 to 4 trades like water. And so we're cool with the profits that we get within the markets. We don't need those nasty guerrilla runners of 1 to 5 millions and shit, you know? Absolutely. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. G is making its way up to us, finally. We just took out all these stop loss. Look how many stop loss we had here. Okay, we took out these highs. Boom. Okay, great. And then we started bleeding lower. But now we have even more stop losses here from those guys who took that liquid crap setup. You know, we're just taking everybody out because everybody knows we're bearish, bro. Your competition knows, at least. Your competition knows we're bearish. Where is the link? Oh, that's Alibay. Yeah, you're in here, bro. Emmett, can I send you my chart? Yeah, OG. Put it in fucking New York session chat, bro. I'm constantly, you know, I got screens everywhere, bro. I can see everything. Giveaway is going to be at like 9:30, guys. We have 57 likes and 64 concurrent or 59. Why is it different? You guys have more likes than concurrent viewers. Good job, bro. You guys are fucking goated. You're funny, bro. Yeah, thank you, pal. Look at the 1 minute. You can see a setup there. M's and we lefted breaker block that we have, that we can have potential buys. Just my opinion, not a financial advice. That's on GJ, by the way. You're getting a little intricate here for me, pal. I don't like the mitigation and the breaker blocks and the order blocks, but this is not a valid order block, but this is a valid order block, and this is the reason why. Oh, this is a choach, but the choach wasn't choach enough because, you know, should just be getting just intense for me, bro. It's not smart enough for ICT. What you mean there will be a giveaway? We already did it. Oh, yeah, dude. Shit. Bad. It's fun to watch the ICT live, though. Like, it just gets so intricate. You're like, dude, I feel like I'm learning to be a fucking rocket science. Like, we're about to go to the moon tomorrow. Whatever he's teaching here is making my brain bigger. It's like, makes you feel that way, bro. Oh, shit. It's funny. Anybody else need another pair you need to look at? And then it's like nice, like, you know, just nerd. You fucking nerd. And then it's like, bro, imagine being that friend of like, your friend is like, yo, bro, you want to learn how to trade? You're like, fuck yeah. Of course. And then he sends you a link to an ICT video and you're just like, you're just staring at it for like 30 minutes. Like, fuck, I'm never gonna, you would just quit the first day, bro. I'd just be like, dude, fuck this, bro. This is clearly just not for me. Apparently he made those videos for his kids. Smart kids, bro. US 30. Did we not go to US 30? Swear we did, big dog. ICT seemed a little too complicated. You know, when I first looked at ICT shit, I had a very negative annotation towards it already, just from the shit people have talked about it. And so maybe if I go back to it now, understanding what I do about mitigating gaps and order blocks and choach and blah, 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 it just sounds intense. It sounds smart though. Then, you know, maybe I would dig how he trades now. I just can't imagine a square one trader. You got Emmett over here teaching you how to trade for the first time, and you got ICT teaching you, and he's talking about mitigating order blocks and gaps and all this extra shit. I'm just like, so here you have a lower high and a lower low. You go down. Oh, here's the zone. Boom, take it, done. Or like liquid grab setup. I think I can teach the most non-trading motherfucker my liquid grab setup in one full day. That he can be savage with it and only use that one setup because it's that easy. I'm figuring out the algorithm. I'll trade with banks. Yeah. Sorry, I'm late to the party. What's up, KJ? Oh, you're late. Oh, it's all good, bro. All right, so impulsive leg on the hourly is bearish, my boy. That's it. We got a three-stage strategy. Go to the hourly, figure out we want to buy or sell based upon market structure, which is a bearish impulsive leg right now. And then we go down to 15 and 5 minute and mark up our demand levels, which we just didn't have any. sitting over here. And so we didn't mark any up, which means we're just not fucking with US30 at all. Mean threshold with Reaper block. You know, that should just be crazy. What are you talking about, bro? But it's cool though, you know. It's cool to see all their videos and the math equation. You know, ICT is like we were talking about earlier about how we're doing the giveaway, giving you guys a question that hasn't been answered in 20 years. That's his shit. And then like, I watched a video where, where was it at? I wish I can cite it. Where they were saying that he stated that he helped build the market's algorithm. Like he was actually one of the people who helped build the algorithm. I'm like, wow, it's amazing. How has nobody killed him yet? You know, it's like the government's like, oh, let me just let this guy run off with this $1 trillion fucking algorithm and teach people, and we'll just let him do it. And people are too dumb to figure it out, so who cares anyways? And they're correct. What if it is the real deal, bro? And we're just all just not smart enough to figure out the Huddleston. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, just waiting for GU to come up, AU to come up. Missed us now by about a pip. Could you imagine? Well, worse that he's teaching people with it. That is crazy. Yeah, but no shade, bro. Whatever, dude. No shade. I just, you know, once you listen to the story, it's like if that's the real claim story, I mean, that's magnificent. That our world runs off of finances. In America, if not anywhere else. And for somebody to have the golden key and to be giving it out on fucking YouTube for free every day? No censorship. Nobody knocking on his door. Nobody coming after him. Believable? Sure. Laugh loud, I'm bashing ICT for fun, but actually I'm an ICT trader. Yeah, like straight up. Aren't I an ICT trader? What if he teaches it? Look what you said. You said, what if he teaches it so that he can take all of them as liquidity? That is amazing, bro. That would be crazy, dude. Oh, OG. I accepted. Now you could send it to me, bro. My bad. Would be wild as fuck. It's just what a concept, bro. All right. I gotta pee. Give me a second, guys. We're done talking shit. All right, my bad. I'm back, bro. My bad. I'm back. Concurrent viewers. 60 likes, 64. Holy fuck, bro. You guys are savages. Anybody learn anything today? Anybody learn anything today? For you new people. I know my people always learn. All right, you guys learn anything? You got any questions? Do you understand what I'm doing? Look at that. See if it'll come up to entry or just continue lower. Got a nice little supply sitting right here. Might tap into it and continue lower. We won't take it because there's no major or minor high to take out before coming up into it, but I can see the reaction. Patience. Yeah, patience. My people, we patient, bro. I don't think anybody be. People know how I operate now, you know? You gotta start it soon. I've been on streams, as you guys know. You know, exciting people and trying to shoot because everyone's excited or needs a trade or blah blah. We just don't do that over here, bro. This is my world. And XYZ and ABC, EFD, ABCD, EFG have to line up for me to take the trade. All of it. 100% of it. Or else I won't be taking it. We don't gamble on this side. 9:30 New York time or what? For the giveaway, Meg? Yeah, we'll do 9:30. As soon as session opens. We don't really take much trades after session open. We don't do that. Damn, this thing is coming up, bro. Wow. We're coming to gap fill. Interesting. I love how GU's coming up though. AU's coming up though. GJ's coming up. All coming up into our zones. Like, market isn't bad today. Yeah, it looks great. We're just waiting on our position. Good old patience. Oh, are you guys saying that's what you learned today? That's what you guys learned? Patience? Cool. At least somebody learned something. You know? I got to, fuck. I need one of your, in my group, one of your guys' help to make sure that OBS is automatically recording as soon as I hop in. Because I have Streamlabs do it, but this shit ain't doing it. Always learning something new from the stream. I dig that, King Vita. Appreciate you, bro. Waiting on the pullback here? Yeah, bro. We're waiting for this zone up here to tap on GJ. We're waiting for these zones up here to tap on GU. Waiting for these up here to tap on AU. And NAS is kind of just out of there. We don't want to play with NAS today. It's actually red tagged. What does that mean? That means over here, I red tag it. Can't play with it. None of these you can play with, period. These are just shit you guys ask about. This is crypto, back testing pairs, and then my shit. Plus gold, because gold is just the favorite in the streaming industry, I believe. Yeah, I was waiting on the GU pullback also. We're about to go corny on you guys, bro. For the giveaway. Make you tell me what you learned. And tag me in your shit on fucking Instagram. Something about Instagram. Anybody on here don't have Instagram? Does that hurt you? Does that mean you can't participate in the giveaway? Let me know. Emmett, you looking to take NAS longs if it gives any pullback? No. I see it only buying up though. Like this would be clean right here. I'm bearish, bro. I don't take retracement trades. I dig it though. I just don't take them. You can take this bad boy sitting right here. You can take this bad boy sitting right here. You can take this bad boy sitting right here. Okay, now let's break it down. If this is all the demands we want to take, because we're bullish, even though I'm not bearish, I just think that we're coming to retrace some of these gaps as we talked about earlier. I just don't take retracement trades. But if we were bullish for the day, then say, okay, we'll look for demand setups. Who am I to say that this one will hold over this one or this one? How can we cut that shit down to being a more probable setup? Well, we go to our more often than not book. More often than not, a gap sitting right before our zone will end up allowing for the zone to play out. More often than not, if we have a major or minor low to take out before coming down into the zone, our trade will play out, which we don't have right here. Remember, we always talk about seeing somebody's stop loss to get taken out. We all know what direction the market's already going to go. People need to be taken out yet. This shit didn't give us a major or minor low yet to take out. So we have to trade up, come back down, take out all these early buyers, and then we could participate. Okay, well, this zone doesn't have that yet, so we don't take it. Okay, now we're down to 2 trades. Boom. All right. We need a gap sitting before our zone. Yes, that is there. We need to make sure the zone wasn't tapped into yet. No, it wasn't tapped into yet. We need to make sure we have a minor or major low to take out. Somebody's stop losses before coming down into our zone. Okay, we have that one sitting right here. Their stop loss is sitting right here. So if we can come down and take these guys out, boom, then we can continue higher. This is a valid zone so far. Okay, let's go down to our last zone, sitting all the way down here. Is a gap sitting before the zone? Yes. Has it been tapped into before? No. Okay, this is a valid zone. Now for our last more often than not. More often than not, when there's a zone sitting right below a zone, more often than not, it takes out that higher zone, taps into the lower zone before continuing higher. How did I figure this out? Through years of experience, back testing, sample sizing, and writing it down. Not just by pulling this out of my ass. We have stop losses sitting right here before coming down to zone. So it's like, okay, now this zone is sitting right above another zone. More often than not, it gets taken out. So why would I take that trade? I won't. Done. Holy shit, now I only have one zone to take. Okay, if we can come down into the zone and give us a reaction, I would take this trade. Josh Hammond says, I don't have any socials. Don't need the feds all in my biz. Josh, the feds are in your biz, bro. Already. Kimberly says, I do not. You motherfuckers. All right. Well, if you guys learned something and you appreciate me and you're excited that I'm going to be opening up one day for Fortunes stream during London as well. I don't know if it's going to be Thursday or Friday, but one of those two. Well, go tag me on fucking Fortunes. Tag Fortunes, tag me, tag James. Make sure you guys tag James and Fortunes with me. I appreciate it. Show me some love. Send it out. No reward. We'll do a fucking number giveaway for that shit, bro. I got you. Okay? We'll do a 1 through 100. And I will fucking try to do it again, even though it's so hard. Although we got 60 people though, so it's not that hard, you know? Do your thing though, no worries. No, it's all good, bro. Show me some love. We give everybody the opportunity to win. It's all good. I'm gonna ask you guys every time, bro. You know, I'm trying to help Fortunes out as much as I'm trying to help myself out. So like when you guys mention me and shit when I'm in another stream, it helps me out. So thank you. You know, I'm helping you out. Give me knowledge, you help me out. Give me some love. Win-win. Oh, Sergio said he's back, bro. Let's run it, dude. I just posted, dude. We'll tag them next time. Yeah, it's all good. It's very important to tag Fortunes and James with me, you know, so they see. Fortune sees how we doing out here, fellers. And we're still waiting on retracements. Nothing has happened here. Let's keep it real. We're just moving sideways. Nothing has happened. Did you send me your chart, bro? No. You can't talk, by the way. You just have to message. You ever tried trading your CAD? No. No, bro. I'm stuck in my pairs heavily. I'm surprised I got convinced to add NAS to the list, so I'm stuck in my pairs heavily, my friend. We'll go check it out, though, you know, while we're waiting. We got time. No corn tea today? Oh, bro, no. Dude, corn tea's fire. Just fucking barley tea. Sickening fucking alcohol tasting. It's just disgusting, bro. Honestly. Oh my god! And now, of course, he put me in so I can. Hold on, bro. Okay, just want to make sure. All right, cool. Corona is an actual beer. He said, "I know." What, bro? All right, your CAD hourly. What is the impulsive like? If we don't know, just move to the left, 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 left. Such an ugly impulsive leg. Honestly, it's so fucking ugly, bro. But I'm bearish. Go down to 15 minutes, see how we can participate. Okay, we just started to break past this bullish sentiment here, right? We broke past. Don't like it the most because we did just start to trade right back within the range, but bearish sentiment for me is quite heavy. So we got a supply sitting up here, right? Gap sitting before it, hasn't been tapped into before. We're just waiting on our major or minor high to take out before coming up into the zone, which we got. We got right here. Boom. So if you can get a reaction up at the zone, we've already grabbed London highs because London high fucking liquid grab is just, I'm telling you, bro, just go back test it. Just go back test it. Okay? Just go back test it. You're welcome. Double liquid grab? No, we've already took the grab and broke past low, so now you're just waiting on this reaction at this supply. Take it to lows. That's it. Always just a lows. I'm good with the 104. You got to make a serious call more often than not. Dude, I'm making a shirt. It's going to be like, it's going to, more often than not, in the back will be like, we win or we ball, or more often than not, Zen Lab is the wave, some shit, you know? But 100%. I say that shit too much. I only remember the guy who roars and swirl the beer on TikTok. Bro, have you guys ever tried that? I tried that the other day. Grab a Corona and go, this looks so gay, bro. But, and then let it tornado all the way down. That shit like coming out of my nose, bro. It's like spitting up beer. I was like, damn. I just thought it would be so fucking easy. It's not. You got to be an alcoholic. It's not easy. It's a sound effects. Don't be clipping my shit. I know you weird motherfuckers out here, bro. Start clipping my shit. Just don't start. For those of you who just showed up from Discord, my bad, bro. I just got access to be able to post that link in there. We're just waiting for a couple things to line up here. All retracements for GJ to come up here into supply. GU to come up here into supply. AU to come up here into supply. The fuck? And then Nas is just red tag, bro. I ain't fucking with it. Garbage man out there, bro. It sounded like the shit was like breaking down in front of my house. Chosen. Put this picture at the back of the shirt. Come on, bro. This is that shit, dude. When you're on the spotlight, motherfuckers always gotta do something, bro. AU is just melting from this point, guys, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Lou mentioned, Leandre mentioned. Oh, thank you guys, bro. I got all this. Appreciate you guys. Showing love, showing love. I was at like 594 subscribers, bro, this morning. I wonder if I hit it on 598 now on YouTube. 598. We're growing, guys. It's awesome. Hard work paying off. More often than not, TP hit. You know, something like that, bro. 1K coming. Yeah. I started at 80. I started at 80. That was 3 months ago. We doing all right? I should, Caleb. Like, I could make a video that is called My More Often Than Not. More often than not, what happens with my strategy, you know? And so you guys can just write all those little things down. But I'm going to drill this into your guys' head every day. Sample sizing. Sample sizing. Every minute thing. I'm going to give you the foundation. But these minor little fucking things, you're just going to have to figure out for yourself. I can tell them to you, but these are things that you just have to mold to your brain to just see without even thinking about it. Just because you do it every single day, over and over and over and over and over again. You know? It's so weird. Like I get to watch like the YouTube studio of myself on the top screen, and it's just weird, bro. Like it looks like it's lagged by like 5 minutes. Like I'm doing a breakdown for you guys right now. It's weird. Anybody else want anything to look at? I'm about to do a giveaway, so let's run it, bro. I think I've got so yeah, and look at that with the strategy, which is kind of cool. So we would have taken out right here at this area of interest. We would have got a nice little 1 to 2.3, and then obviously you would have got taken out B, capital preservation's king. So as soon as a 1-to-1 hits, which it did right here, so already B, unfortunately, but if it didn't, we would have been able to capitalize on our 1 to 2 before coming all the way up and taking us out. Simple, bro. Areas of descent. You only have one bias for the day. So you don't need to mark all these up until you get into a trade. You know, so we have red on one side, green on one side. Red on one side, green on one side. We want it to go this way. Stop coming this way. And you just exit the same way you enter. Trap the fucking market. Maybe like 2 to 5 seconds of a lag from Zoom to YouTube. Okay. Emmett, if you're bearish on NAS, wouldn't it be viable to wait for the gap on the 15-minute to be filled or half filled, then look for shorts? I got it sitting up there, bro. I don't trade gaps, Lando. I need land gaps as a form of confluence within my supply and demand zone. I like gaps as a form of confluence within previous session higher lows, but I don't specifically trade gaps themselves, you know. Go up to the hourly. Put up a fucking fib. As soon as 50% of this gets tapped, which it did, damn. Oh no, wait. 50% is now there. Oh, I didn't tap it yet. And then take the trade. Like, I know how you guys do that. To me, I just feel like I'm taking the trade in butt fuck nowhere. Like, there's nothing there to stop price. Except for just hoping that 50% of this gap being mitigated is the reason to get into the trade. So, no, I wouldn't take the trap, the gap, brother. What kind of confluence does gaps give you? Well, if we understand by going over to the stock market for just a second, that every gap that is ever formed within a stock market, okay? On the foreign exchange market, this is how it looks. On the foreign exchange market, this is how it looks. It's just smooth. You see this shit sitting here as a candle. But on the stock market, there's nothing there. And so if we just do a little, like I always tell you guys, sample sizing, let's find a couple gaps and see what the hell happens with these gaps to the right. Here's a gap here. What happened to it? Mitigated. Price ran through it at some point. What other one we got? We got a gap sitting right here. What happened to it? At some point, price mitigates it, sitting right here. We have another gap sitting right here. What happens? Price mitigates it. It jumps through it. So what am I trying to say? I'm saying more often than not, actually always, since the beginning of the time, you can backtest this forever, any gap, gaps need to be filled before price continue further. Gaps need to be filled before price can continue further. So understanding that gaps sitting right before our zone have to be filled, then we're just increasing our probabilities to have a gap sitting right before our zone before taking the trade. And then if we don't, we won't. That's what I always tell people is like, I think we all understand market structure. I became profitable off of being a Fibonacci trader, but then I wanted to tighten up my entries and have more and a better win percentage. So I had to start going through additional confirmations within my supply and demand setup strategy, within my Fibonacci strategy to heighten my win percentage. So how did I do it? Fucking sample sizing, bro. If more often than not I'm correct with my direction, how can I get a better intricate entry? Well, making sure there's a gap sitting before my zone, making sure I have a valid zone in the first place. What does that mean? Making sure that zone hasn't been tapped into before. Making sure that zone, when it was formed, like the supply right here, has a break of structure. What does that mean? If this is our bullish structure sitting right here, and boom, and this happens, and we come up into the supply, I'm not going to take this trade because there's no break of structure. Now, if we broke past this higher low sitting right here, showing that we're now bearish again, structure's bearish in the smaller time frames, and then come tap into the supply, I will take that trade. And more often than not, it'll be correct because I'm trading with trend. Sample sizing, bro. I always have the Nasdaq futures chart open to look for gaps. Oh, that's fire. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys have a hard time learning gaps, just go to a stock market and understand what happens at these points. Backtest it. You know, did this huge gap get filled yet? No, not yet. It's on its way, though. Shoosh, that's a massive gap, bro. Wow. But that's how it's just a form of confluence for me, fellas. Same as psychological. You guys don't see them today because they're in my head. I just didn't have time to hop on and give them to you all. But I use psychological levels as a form of confluence as well. We got one sitting right here. 500 level, every 50 pips. So if we did 500 here, we would do 550, whatever the fuck. Where is it at? Oh, it's right here. Every 50 pips. Just as a form of confluence. If we start to trade above this area and hold this area as support, just additional form of confluence. That is all I use it for. Look in the past at the psychological level. Did I hold it in the past before? Sure. So you can just use it as a form of confluence within your trades. That's all I use it for. But we're not going to fuck your guys' head up with this shit right now. Okay, we're tapping into GJ. Supply. GU's just fucking chilling. And AU's making its way up as well. Let me get this written up just in case. Simplicity is the key always, yeah. I try not to over teach you guys when I come on Fortunes, because I know there's so much I want to tell you, but it's really simple, bro. I do the simplest, same 3 steps every day. Look at that reaction we're getting off of this before even tapping into that. Doesn't that look like we have some fucking sellers sitting up there ready to sell off this market? Because it looks pretty clear to me. So let's see if we can get a tap so we can get a trade, guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Let's go ahead and take this guy off. Let's clean this up here. Wait for that zone to hit. What a reaction, though. You know how many stop losses we just took out that we're sitting up here, sitting here, sitting here? How many breakout traders we just got into the markets after going past these equal highs sitting up here? And boys was ready to buy. Dude, if we never come up to tap the zone and we miss this trade by half of a half pip, whatever, bro. Moving on to the next day, I don't care. Difference between a profitable trader and somebody that's just gambling every day because they're just learning their edge. Just wait, bro. I got laughing and party emojis. Laughing party, laughing party, laughing party, laughing party. Pretty clean. Yeah, dude, it looks pretty clean. Let's see what happens. I would like for AU to come up as well, you know. And then here, it's like, okay, what is this reacting off of? It's reacting off of Lando's fucking 50%. As soon as we tapped into that 50%, we're just wrecking, bro. Like, I dig it. I see it. I understand what you're talking about. I just don't like I need additional confluence besides 50% of the gap got filled, take the sell. I mean, fucking hell, is it clean? Yeah. Sure, about to get entry right now. I mean, I'm not about to take no 70 point stop loss, but hey, there's just no risk to reward to chase loaded lows. It's just, you know, 1-to-1. Oh, my stomach kind of hurts. Fuck. Off to work. Enjoy the day, brothers. I'll be on alert for a dub if valid setup today. They call me the Gap Man. Oanda lets us down a lot. Dude, Lando. I'm glad that we've all been discussing it, though. Because I have been noticing it as well. Oanda has not been tapping certain zones that have been hitting on FXCM. That has been fucking around. For sure. So you're going to take grabs of previous session lows, Ragu says. And this is where, you know, this is where sample sizing comes into play. Why is Emmett teaching what he's talking about? Does it actually work? You got to sample size. My impulsive leg is bearish for EU. So although you can grab these lows, which I think it already did. Let's see. Handy dandy magnet. Which it already did. Maybe. Yes, it did. Already grabbed lows. And you can take the buy sitting right here for a nice little 8-point stop loss in EU. Not bad. Chase up to highs, which is a 1-to-2. Kind of bad. And see what happens. Okay? I wouldn't take this trade because it's going against higher time frame trend. So I wouldn't take it. But see what happens. You know, sample size, see if you hit a TP1. By the way, your voice is very, very low. I have my headphones on full volume and I can barely hear you. Does anybody else feel that same way? Because my mic is turned all the way up. And my boy, we're 2 hours and 10 minutes into the session. You're just now telling me that? It better not go to those highs because I'm still in EU sales. Oh, yeah. I mean I don't have planned for it to do so. No, audio is fine. Good audio. You're good. No, bro, voice is fine. I'm a tad bit late. Oh, it's all good, Landon. No, bro, voice is fine. Okay. All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Look what's happening with DJ. Wick filling this previous 5-minute wick and about to tap into our zone. Before it does so, I'm just skimming the market, see what's happening here. And we're about to tap. So let's see what happens. We could just easily blow past the zone, bro. DJ better bleed. You feel me? We would be down for it not to bleed right away, bro, because I don't want a 13 pip stop loss. You know, I'm cool with a little 9 pip stop loss. Nice, TP hit. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. AU's making its way up, boy. Sheesh, bro. But we have to chill here, guys. The only way I get in aggressively, as my group knows, is overextended supply demand. What does that mean, Emmett? That means the last supply or the last demand within my impulsive leg, meaning if that plays incorrect, our bias is just wrong. I would take aggressive entries. We come all the way up here, and I see it wicking off of that supply immediately. I would take it. Either right away or I'll wait for that first initial 5-minute candle to close and then take it right away. But unless it's overextended supply or demand, I will not take the trade aggressively. Period, bro. It will never, ever, 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 ever happen. So understanding that here, okay, cool. We just got our tap into the zone with this one candle. We have to wait 1 minute for this candle to close, and then we'd have to wait for previous candle lows to break to hop into the trade for a 15 pip stop loss. Not ideal because then we can only hit a 1 to 1.7 to hit lows. Ugh. Not ideal risk management. And so that's what I was saying. I really want for this candle to close short, and then we get another one that can close somewhere up here so we can get a better entry. And if it doesn't happen, whatever, bro. We got to shoot. But it's kind of looking like this zone's going to be taken out. Damn, bro. Look at Nas, guys. Look at Nas. So, and then you see it's like, okay, more often than not, when we don't have a minor or major low to take out, these zones don't hit. That's why this zone didn't hold sitting right here. Oh, shit. That's why the zone didn't hold sitting right here. What about the zone sitting down here? This zone didn't hold down here. Why did this middle zone not hold? Because there's a zone sitting right underneath it. Okay, why didn't this zone hold? Because there's a zone sitting right underneath it. That's why we had all these marked out. We went through a whole list of more often than not, and then we ended up with one zone, and that's the zone that ends up hitting. Almost. I mean, we're a micro pip away from it. Immediate reaction. Just heightening our probabilities by making these zones stronger, not taking the weak zones. Okay, what do we got? We got 4 minutes left. This is probably going to take it anyways. I got to pee, fellas, again. Sorry, shout out to coffee and water. Nas got that 9-inch wick. Come on, bro. All right, I'll be right back. I'm back. She's out of there? Ooh, she's out of there. Invalid. If AU taps, that will be clean. Yeah, we still got multiple setups, bro. Oh my god, so close. So fucking close. Let me use my magnet, hold on. And I really be getting this intricate, if anybody's wondering. If that shit takes me, I literally will not take the trade. So close. Oh, it's so close, bro. How it tapping that top and not breaking that is insane. I know, right? And then AU's grabbing London highs. So we'll take GU since it tapped into our zone. AU, we really want to hit this zone, but this is valid as well. We already grabbed London highs. If previous candle lows break, you hop into this trade. I just can't call both of them, so I can hop into GJ and AU, which I'm about it. I'm only going to be calling GJ to the group. If you can stop melting for like 5 seconds, bro. So get ready here. This is the trade. AU is going to be the trade as well. Got to be quick. We got 63 people. Make sure you guys like the stream. I don't even think you guys can. Everybody already liked it, so never mind. Don't even. Open calc, switch. Boom. Boom. That's 10. Hopefully we can get a little top wick. If not, whatever. 440. How's AU looking? Oh, fuck. AU already happened. We're going to have to focus on GJ, guys. Okay. Let's see what happens. Done, done, and done. Here's TP1 sitting right here. So you put stops to be as soon as TP1 hits, if we do hit. And then we can manage accordingly. We got a nice little demand sitting right here. For a nice little 1 to 1.6. Our absolute target's a 1 to 3, which is a lot better. Let's see what's happening with AU. So trash on AU, I couldn't take that. Super clean. We could easily come up and tap into this zone. And I'm not in, as you guys know, I don't get in late. But if you guys hopped into this, your 1 to 1 would be right here. One to 2 would be right here. And then major lows. For final, which would be a 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Same shit. Super clean. Damn it, I wanted to get into both of those trades, bro. I ain't gonna hold ya. I ain't gonna hold ya. Okay. Let me go back. I'm gonna just hold off on AU for a bit, good sir. Who's in this trade with me? Did the giveaway start already? Nah, bro. We're in a trade. Give me a sec. We ain't worried about that. Oh, damn. DJ's dropping it like it's hot, pal. DJ's dropping it like it's hot, mate. We should be good here, guys. Me, bro, you know I'm in. Let's go. Eating dinner with watching your stream. Gang, gang. iPhone, I see you, bro. What's up? Nobody can talk on the stream, but every other. Yeah, I'm in, bro. Not looking too pretty now, eh? Huh? 1 second, guys. Nothing you guys can do. Just stop us or TP. What's up, babe? Alright, what's going on? Oh, fuck, what's going on? Hey, you? Hey, you might come up and tap before hitting. GJ should really just drop, though, bro. Like, I don't like that. Giveaway. You guys want to do giveaway real quick? It's gonna be numbers. I'm a little nervous. How many people we got in here? 67. Let's do it now. We got a decent amount of people. So I'm gonna do between 1, 2, and 100. And at 9:56, so in 45 seconds start. 45 seconds. Please do not. Here, I'm gonna put the thing again. Start under here. Start under here. So if you put a number before start under here, it will not be valid. Okay? Trade is looking a little scary here, guys. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, what the fuck, bro? I ain't gonna hold you, bro. My luck is amazing, but in Fortunes, y'all be... I don't know. We still got 14 seconds, guys. Give it a sec. Okay? I got the start under here ready to locked and loaded. I got my number ready. Boom. All right, starts. I guess I can't just... I'm not gonna pay attention to the trade for a second. It's 1 to 100, guys. Oh, boom. Wait. It happened. 28. Oh, wait, Alessandro said 28 too. Who said it first? Oh my God, Alessandro. That's crazy, bro. You picked 128. Christian Janad. How's my trade looking, bro? How's AU looking? Are you melting? No. Christian. Okay, Christian Janad. What is your awesome. What is your Instagram handle, bro? Congrats. Woo, 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 woo. What is your Instagram handle? Only from you. Oh yeah, dubs in the chat for him and us. Hopefully we can get a nice melt here. Help me out, bro. What is your Instagram? Okay, message me right now. Message me right now. Email, first and last name, and do you want a 1 or 2 step? Email, first and last name. Do you want a 1 or 2 step? Won the full 25K too. What a W. Yes, bro. And I wish I could watch you. It sucks with these giveaways. I can't watch you and manage and shit, but congratulations, brother. You're getting tons of dubs in the chat. Hopefully I can get dubs in the chat for my trade. And we can go about our happy, beautiful Monday. You know, that's the goal. I message you, bro. Okay. We're getting a good reaction, boys. I mean, it's anybody's game. Hopefully it's our game. Okay, Christian. I'm going to do it right now, bro, so I have time. Alessandra hitting air right now. I know, bro. Sorry, bro. Request. 1-step challenge, please. Okay. Send me your first and last name and your email, bro, please. They just pick a number, Mario. You guys can always check me. If you press Control F, you can check who put the number first. Like, there's no cap. You can check the same way I check. Yeah, send that to me, bro, so I can get you going. Christian Janade. Today's giveaway winner. Name. Email. Type. Come on, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? Can you just melt off? I thought for sure I would have already bled down the TP. I'm not going to hold you. When we get that M like that on the 1 minute, it comes up and taps that last supply. Usually it's just out of there, bro. Usually it's just out of there. That's it, Mario. I just won 25K today, bro. We haven't done one in a very long time. We keep doing the 10, 10, and 5. So we did it a little different today. Copy. Christian, make sure that was spelled correctly because I'm sending it in right now. Your email. No, yeah, you're all good. And then your name. Is it literally Christian Janad, like Christian? Can you just type it out, bro, so I can copy paste it? I want to make sure I do it correct way for you. What number did he win with? 28, bro. Mario. 28. The only thing making me hit air are these trades playing with us. What's going on? Oh yeah, whatever, dude. It is what it is. We should be good, you know? More often than not, we hit. You just gotta keep that in your head. I don't know. Whatever, dude. Guys, I was out for a minute. Did you guys enter a trade? What time was that? 9:56. Yes, we entered this trade. Ooh, I don't want to tell you anything, but yes, we're in the trade, bro. Ali, if you go to ZenLab Sig, my brother, first of all, you need to go to new members, start here, welcome page, and read all of that. But all my signals get sent to you guys. I don't just call it on live. I'm sending it to you as well. It's the same place that you found the Zoom link. That's where all my signals are going to be at. Okay. What number did he win with? Did you already say that? Oh, my bad, bro. Yeah. Okay. Can I go back to normal now? Okay. Okay. Everybody good? Do you guys know what to do? As soon as Zoom, we're staying on. Don't y'all fucking leave, or you still got work to do. But streaming. Are you guys good? Or wait, we'll call Dub in here, bro. Let's call Dub. We'll get some W's in the chat, and then I could post it and all that good stuff. Okay. Let's give it a sec. We should all tattoo more often than not on our hand. Yeah, bro. www. Yeah. Not yet, brother. We still got a W first. We ain't W'd yet, we're looking pretty good here, though, fellas. Beautiful day. How is AU looking? Did anybody take AU? I just didn't have time, bro. I told you guys, take all of them. I just didn't have time, guys. Okay. God. TP1. No way. Please, bro. Did TP1 get hit? No. Both sitting at 0.5% profit. Huh? No, I don't got time, baby. What's up? No way, bro. If I lose this trade, bro, someone's gonna die. No, my stops aren't to be yet. I'll tell the chat to put it in. TP1 miss by half of a pip. Just trying to allow this trade to make a bottom wick, because if it takes me out and then melts, I'll lose it. But I hope that's not a bad decision here, guys. TP1 wasn't hit. I don't put stops to be, period. AU never came down as well. Would I get back into it? No. Could it come up and tap that zone? Sure. We're just cool in here, guys. It is what it is. Could not get AU. I was too focused on GJ. Took them both, Mickey? Damn, bro. Thank you. Somebody was able to. Alessandro took both. Sheesh, bro. It's so beautiful. These proof that it was from. Oh, no. Yeah, Christian, you're good, bro. We verified, my boy. You're a GOAT, dude. Appreciate you for showing up to the stream, all of you. I do want to hit a TP before we leave so we can, do all the fun social media shit. But I'm ready to go. I got some shit to do, my boy. Christian, bro, send me your full name, first and last name on Instagram. That's it. Don't put anything before or after. Just first and last name so I can copy paste it, please. Please. And this would be nice now too. Now that we went through this and we filled in this gap of this 5 minute, if we can melt down and not take us out, preferably. Now we don't have to worry about putting stops to BE and being taken out BE because it's so frustrating. But I do not hold stops, guys. Like TP1 gets hit, you put stops to BE, period. It's just like that. That's it. Okay, guys. Okay, man. Okay, so we all good, Ali? All right, cool, brother. Do you have everything you need? No. Emmett, I sent you DM. Did you get it? Yeah, bro. Just send me your name. You know what, bro? I'm about to just put it as it reads here. What is a stop loss? I'm not sure, Eric. I'm just learning that too. That's a new term for me. I don't use those things. Christian Janad. And thank you guys, everybody, for mentioning me in your story, bro. I appreciate that. And we're back at entry. You fucking kidding me? Oh, and AU's coming up. No way, bro. No way, bro. No way, dude. And by the way, Sergio, glad to have you back, bro. Maybe not today, but always this BS. Nas also tapped that new week open gap. God, Lando, you and your little terms and shit, but you're confusing the fuck out of me, bro. We trade differently, my friend. If anyone is scared, go to church. Yeah. There's nothing we could do here, guys. It's just in or out, you know? What are you going to do? Pull out right now and then enter back in once you break lows and then pull back out, you know? Nothing to do. Daniel Schmidt. I want to see if my boy's in here. I feel like I haven't seen that motherfucker in so long, dude. He's not in that account. He's not in that account. He's not in this account. Oh, man. Oh, I got coffee. Oh, yeah, bro. Let me go grab my coffee. Thanks for reminding me, bro. Excuse me, sorry. How does AU look now? Ooh, boy. It's clean, bro. It could easily come up and tap, though, is what I don't like. If it does, though, if we get taken out of GJ, guys, that last tap AU is going to be with my VIP. I'm getting out of here. No, yeah, Lando, you be doing your thing, bro. No shade. You out here, bro. You be doing your thing. You know? I want this bitch to melt so bad. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. This is like super annoying. You know, I be chilling, but I want my little fortune stub. You know, we deep. We deep. How many people we got sitting in here? How many likes we got? I haven't checked it in a while. We got 49 people in here and 80 likes, dude. You guys are just magnificent, bro. It doesn't even make sense. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very, very much. I'm going to give this until 10:15, guys. If we don't hit TP, I'm going to... You guys know what to do. Stops to be here. Chase ultimate lows. Okay? You come down here. Listen. You hear? Listen to me. Come down here. You get a tap. Break a previous candle highs. After you tap into the zone, get out of the trade. You guys hear the song? This is my ringtone. Anyways, hold on. Bro, what's your strategy? Go to Emmett.trades on. Oh my God. My bad, bro. Go. You gotta follow me every Monday, bro, on here on Fortunes. Top right. I think my Instagram's on there, anyways. I'm a supply and demand trader, brother. 3-step strategy. That's it. I go to the hourly to find what I want to sell or buy for the day, and then I go down to 15 5-minute to find my setup and my entry. The short version of stuff. If you potentially have time, my brother, Crypto Impact, after this stream, if you again have time, watch this stream. I say hi to everybody for the first like 5-10 minutes, and then I go right into breaking down everything, explaining my entire strategy. Since I don't stream here every day, I stream on my channel every day. I try to do like a beginner's course every single time I hop on here. So whether you do this one, the second one, or the third video I did, it should be very beneficial to you. Okay, what's going on? This is so annoying, bro. Like, this is so annoying. You guys can BE if you want. You know where I'm at, bro. It's just not how I trade. He knows. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look, we're about to TP. All right, TP was hit, so you guys can put stops in B now. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever, dude. What's going on with AU? I'm sorry. Whatever happens, happens here. Whatever, dude. All right, can we get some long wanted dubs in the chat, fellas, please? Give me some dubs so we can make a post. Let's get some dubs in the chat from a gang of people, please. I love y'all. Show me some support, bro. All right, guys. We hit a nice little dub today on Fortune Stream. You know how we do. Waiting for higher profits to be hit at ultimate lows on GU, but what a day, brother. What a day. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, there's the sauce. You guys got to see the entire Instagram guru lifestyle unfold. Okay. Love you all. We're waiting to see what happens at this point, sitting right here. Okay. At this alert. Why? Because this is demand. We exit the same way we enter. So if we get a reaction right here, we'll exit. And if we don't, we won't. Okay. Love you all. Dubs in the chat. I will see you guys next Monday at 7:30 a.m. If you want to tune in to us, bro, Emmett.trades on Instagram. Come show your boy some fucking love. I will be here every Monday. Okay? I love you all. Peace. Zoom, I am saying bye to you guys as well, bro. I will give you guys your TP levels here soon, and I will see you guys back in the lab tomorrow. Appreciate you all. Goodbye.